All right, we're gonna go over the basic chords in A major. This key has 3 sharps: C sharp, F sharp, and G sharp. The notes are A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp. Back to your A. First chord is A major. Second chord is B minor. Third chord is C sharp minor. Fourth chord is D major. Fifth chord is E major. Sixth chord is F sharp minor. Seventh chord is D sharp diminished. If you're improvising your A pentatonic and your relative minor, which is going to be F sharp minor pentatonic. If you want to learn the major scale a little bit faster, take some shortcuts, I have a free printout at kevinjpino.com. I'll leave it in the pinned comment or in the description below. It's links to all my gear. If you want to get to the next key even faster, you can check out the video on the screen right here. That is the next key in this series of videos.